welcome back to my channel. It's me, MaryamKapama. Thank you very much for coming back. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. And if you're my day one subscriber, my regular watcher, returning amazing support, I so much appreciate you for tuning in. If you're newish, please go ahead and press the red button that says subscribe and click the bell so you get notified every time I do an upload. In this channel, I talk about natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, and all the goodies that I can share with you guys in order to grow your natural hair or just your hair in general. For you, my superstar, I so much appreciate you. Without further ado, I want to take you straight to the video.
Hi, welcome into this video. Here I'm going to show you how I prep this hair as a refreshener. I'm using water, that's what's in my mist bottle, to refreshen the mini braids I did earlier. So I'm going to spray in just for them to be hydrated before I start adding in the main ingredient, that's the neem oil. However, I make sure everywhere is saturated. I mean, not so saturated but hydrated enough. Then I'm going in with the Chebe hair spray that I'm going to spray directly to the scalp. It's really good at strengthening the hair roots, so the hair is not going to break easily. However, I'm concentrating on the edges so as to help them grow healthy. Get the Chebe, you can press the link under the description box and it will lead you straight to your WhatsApp where you get to purchase your own. However, Chebe is excellent at regrowing the edges and straightening the hair, and it has multiple benefits that your hair deserves. So after concentrating the hairspray on the scalp, I'm also massaging the scalp with the pad of my finger just to avoid unnecessary breakage caused by the fingernails. So you have to be gentle with your hair. So from the scalp, then you go straight to the hair strands, gently, easily, and effortlessly.
Amazing oil. This is the neem oil. Oh my god, neem is packed with a bunch of nutrients. It's amazing. It's going to stop hair loss, and it's really good because it has this antibacterial and antifungal properties that are going to condition your scalp. Remember, your hair grows from your scalp, and the scalp is like your skin. So once that place is clean and in well condition, your hair will grow no matter what. So as you can see, I'm applying it in these mini braids I did a few days ago, and honestly and truly, it does not smell terrible. It smells like something to eat. It's really nice. There we go. So this is the color. You might think it leaves color, but it does not. The truth is the oil is really infused. The leaf is infused into the oil. That's why you have this pigment in the oil. So I'm going to apply it on the scalp, and I'm using the pad of my fingers to massage it in, just to ensure it penetrates. And on the strands of my hair. This is going to stop hair loss for good. Permanent solution
For all scalp issues, especially the alopecia and any other inflammatory or irritational issues of the scalp, whether caused by bacteria or fungi, this is going to treat them all. Benefits of neem leaf for the hair. It's amazing. It has a bunch of properties. It's really good at treating the head lice. It's going to reduce dandruff, It's very good at minimizing the effects of gray hair on your hair. It's also very good at soothing the frizzy hair, and it's also a temporary seal for hair follicles. It's going to condition your scalp, hence it's going to promote healthy hair growth. This neem leaf is a powerhouse. It's packed with a lot of beneficial nutrients. It contains protein, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin C, keratin, fatty acid, and amino acid. And this free, it's going to stop hair loss. It's really good at preventing hair. Put my hair in a satin bonnet just to preserve the moisture from evaporating and avoiding my hair from friction when I rub myself, maybe from a couch or pillow and whatever. It's really good at preventing friction. So it's either I rock the satin bonnet if I have nothing going on, or I switch it up if I want to do something like the tutorial. I put on a headscarf and my DIY headband. So if you want to see that, please let me know down in the comments whether I should record it or just say headband, and I'll understand that you guys need to see that as well.
To the very end, I so much appreciate you for tuning in to the last minute. I know you're asking yourself, why didn't I show you how to prepare the oil? The next video that I'm posting next after this will be how I show you 2 different ways on how to make super potent neem oil. So I encourage you to subscribe down below and also to click the bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload. That being said, I'm going to leave you with this video right over here that I'm going to show you how to make a DIY neem leaf that you're going to use on the next video that I'm about to post. In this video right over here, I'm sharing with you a DIY neem leaf that you're going to use to prepare the oil that I'm about to post next. So stay tuned, and I'm going to see you guys in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in this video. Until next time, bye bye. Much